Hi guys and welcome back. I hope you're doing well. So today I want to show you my new stuff finds of Burlington. They have a lot of new holiday sets, so I thought I would show you guys everything. Let's begin. Okay guys, let's get started. If you're first time here and you enjoy watching this video, please consider on subscribing. I would appreciate that. So first thing, I found this Aeropostal gift set which is so cute with little cherry prints. In this one you get a claw clip, also comes with glass tumbler and fuzzy socks as well. How cute the packaging is. Was going for $13. Then they also had this cute little stitch set as well. Comes with cherry scented body wash, coconut scented body lotion, also lip balm, bath bomb, and fragrance mist as well, running for $6.99. I also found the Grinch gift set. This is so beautiful. You get bubble bath, also body wash and sugar scrub in this. And it's so huge in size, was going for only 13. They also had this Disney Princess hand cream set. In this one you get strawberry scented, mint scented, rose scented and vanilla scented hand creams. The packaging is so cute, was going for $5.99 from brand Taste Beauty. Also for them they had this similar gift set. In this one you get 4 different scented hand creams. Looks like vanilla rose, orange rose and peppermint rose, and also cherry rose scented hand creams. How cute the packaging is. For the same price, $6. I also found these gift sets for Kylie Jenner on markdown, this time for 35 each. You get liquid lipsticks and glosses in this. Here is what you get on the inside. I thought 35 is pretty good for this set. Also they had this palette as well from her last year's Christmas collection. This palette was going for $9.99 and here is how the color story is. They also had Real Techniques limited edition gift set. In this one you get 2 full sizes of sponges and also comes with this brush, and this set was going for $9. Then I found this Elf Daily Dewy Stick Tangerine Kiss. This one was going for $3.99. They also had these cute sets there as well for Stitch and Minnie Mouse. For Minnie Mouse, here is what you get on the inside. It's so cute. Comes with bath bomb, also magnesium bath flakes and body scrub as well. The packaging is adorable, was going for 13, which is a pretty good price because it feels luxe and really good quality gift set. They also had this one there as well for Stitch, and I love Stitch, and this one is also adorable. You get the similar products in this one, and was for the same price, $12.99. This is toasted coconut scented products. They also had this Cetaphil gift set new there. In this one you get full big size of moisturizer and then mini size as well. I like this moisturizer from them, and this set was going for 17. Then I also found this new there, Vitamin Glow toner pads. You get 120 pads in this for $9.99. Looks like a Korean brand to me. And for Clinique, they had this set in stock. In this set you get 2 full sizes of Take the Day Off makeup removing balms, which I really like this product. And this set was going for $25. They also had these Perfect Marc Jacobs fragrance sprays, travel sizes for 17 each. And this was a very good find. They had Bobbi Brown Plump and Prep set for $27.99. Now you get a full size and also a mini size. I thought it was an amazing price for this. This product is typically very expensive. Then I found this cute set for Juicy Couture. You get gloves, also scarves, and comes with headband as well. This also is cute and looks like very good quality. It was super soft and was running for $24.99. They also had the color white as well, which is even more elegant and cute. I also found this Winnie the Pooh gift set. In this set you get, looks like body scrub, also shower gel and under eye mask and face mask, also spa headband as well. I love the Winnie the Pooh. I think this set is so cute. This is from brand Taste Beauty, was going for $13. They also had this Kara Beauty palette new there. I think it calls pink. And this one was going for only $5.99, and here is the color story for this. Then also for Kara Beauty, they had this set there. In this one, you get dual-ended eyeliner, a eyeshadow palette, and liquid lipstick as well. It calls Hitting the Outdoors. Lost in Oasis collection was going for $4.99. They also had this brand there, Beauty Bio. I found this retinol booster system. You get three serums in this. This set looks really nice and pricey. I don't know this brand, but this one was going for $35. For Kara Beauty, they had this neutral blush palette new there, which is right here on the inside. You get 6 different shades of blushes for $6. Then they also had this You Make Me blush palette as well. You get one highlighter and also 5 different shades of blushes, and this one was also going for 6. I also found this Disney Minnie Mouse palette for Taste Beauty, which is right here on the inside, and this one was running for $6.99. They also had these CeraVe daily moisturizing lotions, which those were going for $11 each, and this LA Girl eyeliner set was marked down there this time. You get 5 full sizes of eyeliners in this, and this set was going for only $4.99. I also found these Bobbi brown sets marked on there. You get 2 mascaras and comes with makeup remover as well, and this time this set was there for $11.89. Great price on Bobbi brown set. Then I also found these lip liners new there for Lancome for $7.99. They had only one shade, which is 369, and as I said, those were going for $8 each. Then they also had this Kylie Cosmetics palette new there. This one is their pressed powder palette. Never seen this one before at any other discount stores. Was going for $13.99. Also, they had mini size of Nature in a Jar Sika Complex Recovery Moisturizer for Philosophy for $13. And this gift set for Clinique, you get Moisture Surge Moisturizer, eye cream, take the day off, makeup remover, and also face mask as well. Originally, it was for $47, going for $34.99. I also found this Tarte Tartlet Energy eyeshadow palette at Burlington, which was exciting. I have never seen this brand before at Burlington, and this palette was going for $20. They also had Urban Decay Naked Sin eyeshadow palette for only $13. I have seen these at Ross for $15, so Burlington have better price. And they had a bunch of those in case you want it. You can check out your stores. They also had LA Girls Juicy Lips Shine set there. I thought it was cute. It comes with lip glosses, lip oil, and lip liners. This is set of basically 12 and was going for $9.99. They also had this Olay Hyaluronic Acid Plus Peptide Moisturizer Duo for $29.99. You get 2 full sizes. Then this palette, Hey Hey Vic Hey, was marked down there for LA Girl for only $4.29 this time. I also found these Maybelline BB Fresh BB creams in deep shades, was going for $3.99 each. And they had this the Cram Shop Mickey Mouse eyeshadow palette there for $5.99, and this set of they also had this Estee Lauder Night Repair Serum new there for full size for $35. Also, they had this Coach gift set. You get Poppy perfume and matching fragrance body lotion for $32.99. They also had this brand there as well, which was going for $30. This set for Juicy Couture, you get Viva La Juicy Body Souffle, also Gold Couture perfume, and comes with travel size of perfume as well. This set was going for $30. Then I also found this Thank You Next and Thank You Next 2.0 fragrance mist set. You get 2 full sizes in this for Ariana Grande, and was going for $15. Then they also had these Arabic perfumes there if you guys want them. These perfume I see way cheaper at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I found pretty much all of these for only $17 each at those stores in case you guys want them. Then I also found this set new there for Grinch scented nail polish set for $2.99. It is so cute for little girls, and it's so affordable. You get 6 pieces. And I thought it was so cool to find this set there for Ariana Grande. You get matte blush and matte vanilla fragrance mist in this, 2 full sizes for the same price, $15. I have never seen this fragrance at any other discount stores before, so it was exciting. Then they had this BB gift set new there. You get little wallet and this cute bag for $30. And also this gift set for Aldo comes with earrings and also this bag for $39.99. And this water spray set was marked down there for $4.89. I thought it was a very good price. You get mini little size and also this jumbo size as well. Here is the expiration date. I also found Tree Hut Pink Champagne Body Scrub there for $6.99. And also this the Cringe eyeshadow palette for Taste Beauty, which is right here on the inside and comes with this beautiful mirror. And this palette was going for $7. And also Burlington have some super cute jewelry pieces for holidays. So they had this set of 3 comes with ornament and 2 pieces of earrings. How cute, for only 7. Also they had this similar set as well, which was also running for only 7. Then this necklace for Hello Kitty, which this one was going for $10. They also had this set there as well for Hello Kitty. You get 2 necklaces in this and was for the same price, 10. They also had this Disney necklace there, which is so cute and was going for $10. And then they had this set there for Hello Kitty, comes with keychain and this necklace. The keychain is so cute and this set was there for 15. Then they had this Cringe bracelet set there. How cute it is. This one was going for $12.99. They also had this Juicy Couture gift set there. You get earrings and bracelet in this. And this one was going for $9.99. Then this set was new there. How cute it is. This is a necklace and earrings set, was going for only $7. Great price. They also had this beautiful necklace. I was trying to find M for this necklace because it's so cute, but they had only S ones, was going for $8. Then I found this 12 days of sparkle advent calendar there as well. How cute this jewelry advent calendar is, was going for $10. And you get all of these jewelry pieces, and here is what it is on the back. I also found these cute jewelry pieces there as well for holidays. So they had this set of 3 earrings, was going for only 5. Also this set of earrings for $6, and also this one as well, super cute, and was going for 6. And then this gingerbread man set as well. This one is adorable, for the same price, only 7. And also they had this one there, which also is going for only $6. And then this pink one as well, which is so cute. This one was going for $5. Then this set of 3 earrings, it was super affordable, going for only $4.99. And also they had this one there as well, which was going for 6. Then this set of 3 earrings, this one is also so cute, for $4.99. They also had these Juicy Couture boots new there. I thought I would show you guys. They were so soft, was going for $30. And they had these cute sandals there for $20. I don't know this brand. And they had these boots there for $32.99 for brand GBG. These were extremely soft and great quality.